Hi everybody, this is Mike from Arcan Trailer. Today I'm going to be showing you the Sprinter Campfire Edition 25 RK model. So 25 RK of course means a rear kitchen. So a couple things to have a look at here on the outside. First off, you're going to notice a nice big power awning, LED lights underneath with the speakers built right in. So when the awning's out, it'll project the sound, down to your campsite rather than shooting it over to the next guy. You'll notice the landing gear on this guy looks a little bit different than your standard power jacks. That's because this is true automatic leveling. Ground control, same brand that you'll see on the big fifth wheels. So this is true automatic leveling in a sense that you literally unhook from your truck, hit the automatic level button, it'll level itself and you're done. And then when you go to hitch up after your trip, you hit retract and it'll return exactly to the level that you unhooked it at. So backing up your truck is nice and easy. So yeah, nice feature to have. Big pass-through storage up at the front as well. All the Sprinters have the thermal package, so nice 2-inch thick walls, keep you nice and warm in there. Enclosed and heated underneath as well to extend your camping season a little bit. Okay, you'll see right away, nice wide entrance, 30-inch door, extended grab handle, aluminum steps, really easy to put up and down, unlike the steel ones that kind of corrode over time. So let's head inside and check it out. So rear kitchen, right? So you'll notice all your counter space here at the back, nice big oven, pantry for quick access for anything that you might need on the outside, quick access to. 7 cubic foot fridge, it's a little bit of a fridge upgrade there, as opposed to your standard 6. Seating area, so the booth will fold down into a bed, of course. TV, Bluetooth soundbar, all standard, okay? Air conditioning, of course, standard. Back to your super slide here, you got the tri-fold sleeper sofa, so you could actually put, 4 people if you really wanted to pack them back here. More storage here, nice big pantry, closet, however you want to use it. Linen closet here as well. Check out the washroom. It's a nice glass radius shower, full vanity, medicine cabinet. Master bedroom, so full residential queen size bed. Okay, so if you have fitted sheets at home or you want to upgrade the mattress down the line, it should all fit here nicely. Get a little bit of storage under the bed as well. Okay, closets on either side. And then 12-volt fan as well. And there are hookups for a TV here too. If you wanted to mount one back here, you can plug it in right into your antenna. One other feature I'll show you. Back near the front, it's the touchscreen remote. So this guy here, it's passcode locked, of course. Will control all the power components of the trailer, such as automatic leveling, your slide outs, your power awning, your outside lights as well. So if you're setting this trailer up alone, you're the first one at the campsite, you can park the unit, check your clearance stand outside, and put the slide out without, having to worry about bumping a tree or something like that. Pretty handy feature to have. All this is backed by Keystone's 3-year structural warranty as well. So frame, outriggers, walls, roof, floor, all that stuff has an extended warranty on it now, up from the 1 year that they were offering previously. And that's brand new here, only for the 2018s and on. Yeah, and I think that about does it. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer. This is the Sprinter 25 RK. I'll catch you next time. Hi, this is Mike from Arcan. I'm just going to quickly talk to you about Keystone's new 3-year structural warranty. It's the best warranty in the industry. They just launched it this past fall. So I'm just gonna do some quick outlines for you so you know exactly what's covered. First of all, you're gonna see this sticker on any of the units that actually have it. There might be some older ones out there that don't quite have it yet, so always watch for that sticker. Now, 3-year structural warranty, what that entails is everything from your steel frame to your outriggers, which are your support beams for the floor, which you can see right here. Your slide out boxes, walls, roof, the laminated floors, all those types of things. Now they have that from everything from their big, heavy Springdales all the way down to their light Passport ROVs, single axle units, and everything above that as well. I'm Mike from Arcan Trailer, and this is Keystone's 3-year structural warranty. Thanks.